Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. Okay, so yeah. Dadalian lang natin yung reading dahil I'm sorry. Oo, kasi yung aking camera ay palaubat na. I'm so sorry na forgot ko. Okay, so let's start na agad-agad. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, short lang na messages. Okay, let's see. Anong kailangang malaman ng mga air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua? Okay. Stars. Stars. Star in reverse. Hermit. Okay. So, somebody is dealing with the process ng healing. Some of you have to heal. Okay, some of you, there's this Virgo na pwedeng feeling hopeless pagdating sa'yo. So, napaka-specific nun. Okay, some of them, they're just, sabihin nating sobrang ginugusto ka. Pero I don't know why, bakit sila feeling hopeless pagdating sa'yo. Okay, the Empress, the Five of Cups. I'm seeing here, energy ng bleeding. Okay, miscarriage. Okay, so some of you have to go to a doctor. Okay? So, kung meron man ditong energy ng parang sobrang palaging pagod and alam mo buntis ka, okay? Or maybe some of you want na magkaroon na you want to conceive, no? Gusto maging preggy bells. Mga ganyan. Punta ka sa doktor. Okay? Pwedeng mabigyan ka niya ng mas magandang sabihin nating way. Okay? Kung paano. O, diba? I don't know if this is talking about medications. Okay? So, kailangan mo lang talagang pumunta sa mas may alam. Okay? So, somebody is talagang regretting. Okay? Somebody is sad. I don't know why. Meron ditong energy ng mother or father figure who is so upset. I don't know why. Pwedeng, yeah. What's with this Five of Cups? Yeah, this is talking about pregnancy. Okay? And health. Somebody's health. Okay? Well, nandito yung Six of Wands. This is energy of victory. So, I think may progress ako nakikita pagdating some of you, no? Kung meron ngang hindi magandang nararamdaman sa ngayon, may chance na, magiging okay eventually. Okay? Gagaling. Mga ganyan. What else? Hierophant in reversed. What's that? May mga may mga tao, may mga gustong kumunik sa'yo pero na-intimidate sila. I don't know why. I don't know how. Ano tong Hierophant in reversed? Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. May mga gustong kumuha ng attention mo. Meron din gusto dito mag-sorry. Okay? Somebody, meron kasi ditong parang hindi marunong umako ng ng kasalanan niya. Okay? Some of them nakukonsensya. Okay? Some of them. Yeah. Some of you, pagdating sa workplace, may chance na pwedeng may ibibigay sa'yo. Something maybe a credit, a merit. Parang mga ganong bagay. Okay? Regarding finance, regarding income mo, or something like pwedeng increase. Okay? So, yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, see? Some of you, promotion. Yeah, the Justice. Iba sa inyo nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng meron kayong ipapanalong kaso. Okay? Meron kayo yung papaboran, something like that. Meron ditong maibibigay, may ma-approve. Yung mga ganong bagay. Okay? So there. So ganun lang muna. Bawi tayo next time, ha? Oo, kasi palubat na. I'm so sorry. Okay. So next, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sag. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay, anong kailangan malaman ng mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Okay, Knight of Swords, taking action. Some of you, meron ditong air sign na gusto makipag-usap sa'yo. Okay, yeah, the Devil in reverse. Pwedeng pakikipag-ayos, actually. Smooth transaction. May nakikita rin ako dito smooth transaction. Okay. Yeah. Temperance. Somebody's waiting. Somebody. What's with this? Temperance. Yeah. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. Narinig ko dito, patience is a virtue. O, diba? Yes. Okay, yeah, the Nine of Cups is here. Iba sa inyo, wag lang masyadong madaliin ko ano man yung mga ginagawa ninyo sa ngayon. Ang nakikita ko dito, parang, lalo na patungkol sa stability. Okay, this is talking about stability for some of you. Yeah. Somebody is feeling hopeless, or sabihin natin, mangyayari pa kaya to? Darating pa kaya kami sa magandang sitwasyon, kung ano man. Just be patient. Okay, everything is under control. Oo, yan ang nakukuha ko dito. Okay, so maybe right timing. Okay, right timing. Just be patient. Yeah, hindi mo raw kailangan madaliin ko ano mayroon sa ngayon. I don't know kung anong sinasabi dito. This is general. Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Pero makikipag-ayos sa isang ina. Okay, mother, father figure. Merong makikipag-ayos. Yeah, merong kikitain ng magulang. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw itong magbibigay sa nanay mo, tatay mo. Something na gusto nila. Okay? Something na gusto nila. Iba sa inyo, I'm seeing here, parang energy ng prosperity. Okay, we have here the Wheel of Fortune, the Nine of Pentacles. This is prosperity. This is an energy of abundance. Okay, some of you, if you want to get preggy bells, or some of you, in the near future, may chance. Okay, may chance. Pero yeah, this is talking about energy ng kaperahan. Okay. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. Merong ding energy na pwedeng may mga mababayaran ka. Okay? Yung hindi mo na masyadong iisipin or i-stressin yung mga bayarin mo if ever in the near future. Okay? Get this. Take this energy. Kasi maganda. Yun nga lang, kaakibat niyan, may mga maiinggit, ganyan. Kasi pwedeng nakikita nila, you're doing good, you're doing fine, nakakapag-invest ka, nakakapag-save ka. Okay? Yeah. So, ganun naman lagi. Okay? So, you have to protect your energy kung ganun. Yeah. Lagi. Okay? Lagi naman. Kailangan mong protektahan yung energy mo from energies na hindi natin nakikita. Lalo na sa mga negative. Okay? So, meron ditong, ito napaka-specific. Meron ditong uuwi na anak mo. Okay? Meron akong kinakausap dito meron ditong uuwi na anak mo na kailangang mag-sorry sa'yo. And ang pinaka specific, ito ay nakipagtanan. Nakipagtanan to. Uuwi siya. Maybe this December. Yeah. Hihingi ito ng sorry sa mga ginawa niya na hindi dapat, or sabihin nating makikipag-ayos to, makikipag-usap. That's specific, hindi yun para sa lahat. May kinausap lang ako sa inyo, sa iba sa inyo. Okay, may nahuli lang akong ganong energy. That's specific. So there. Next. Water signs. Okay, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Queen of Wands. Somebody is na-attract. Okay? Attracted. The Five of Wands. Somebody is, sabihin nating, iniisip ka or yeah. In general, iniisip ka while playing themselves. Okay? Yeah. Yes, yo. Meron ditong parang may pagnanasa. Ako nakikita rito, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. They like you, they want you physically. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng mabibigyan ng another challenge. Okay, challenge. Oo. And I think, kasi alam nila and kita nila na kaya mong gawin to or kaya mo to. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah, the Star. Ang dami nag-admire, ha? Ang dami nag-admire sa'yo. The Five of Swords in reverse. Some of you, you're healing. Okay? You're healing. Mas pipiliin mo na mag-heal kesa ma-stress. Yes. Yeah, the Ten of Swords in reverse. Mas pipiliin mo mag-heal kesa ma-stress. Okay? Kunin mo yung energy na yun. Somebody is giving you hints, signs na they like you. See? They like you. Kung sino man to. Some of you, nakakausap mo to. Pwedeng may distansya sa inyo. This person is giving you a lot of they're giving you a lot of attention. People is giving you a lot of attention. May energy rin ako nakikita rito na pwedeng sinasabi nila parang energy na uplifting. Okay, uplifting. That's good. That's nice. Meron mag-reach out. May makikipagayos. Dahil ayaw na ng stress. Okay, some of you may matutuloy na travel. Yeah. Okay, Empress in reversed. What's that? The Seven of Cups. Meron ditong nangihinayang. Okay, some of you, meron ditong energy na natatakot gawin or i-approach ka. Okay? What's with the Seven of Cups in reversed? Anong meron dito? The King of Pentacles, yeah. Merong person dito, water sign, ang parang nakikita niya na mali yung mga ginawa niyang desisyon pagdating sa'yo, lalo na kung iniwan ka, tinalikuran ka nito, may responsibilidad sa ito, water signs, okay? So, ngayon, nalalaman nila na mali pala yung ginawa nila, sa'yo na yun, okay? Yung pag-iwan, yung pag-abandona, if ever, okay? Now, they want na magkaroon ng action towards you. Gusto nila maging responsible na sa ngayon, okay? Alam nila kung ano yung nawala. Alam nila kung ano yung nasayang. So, there's this panghihinayang. Okay, some of you, may chance na magre-reach out sa'yo tong taong to. They will tell you kung ano ang emosyon nila for you. Okay? Whether you like it or not. Yes. Okay, whether you like it or not, someone will reach you out. Okay, someone na merong responsibilidad sa'yo, iniwan ka before, may anak kayo nito, specific, may anak kayo nito, iniwan ka nito, maybe for other energies. Okay, now, they're going back. Kasi hindi naging successful yung pinuntahan niya, actually. Okay? So, yeah, there. Okay, Next is Earth signs. Okay, Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Let's see. So, madalian lang po na reading. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. The Fool in reversed. What's this? The Magician in reversed. May mga energy rito na natatakot na malagpasan mo sila. Okay, yeah, the King of Swords in reverse. There's this someone who is afraid. Meron din ditong energy na pwedeng natatakot sila dahil yung kinakatakot nila is parang totally mawala ka na sa kanila, mawala na yung connection ninyo. Like, itong taong to, kung sino man to, ayaw nila na parang totally mawawala na yung connection or bind, ties na meron sa inyong dalawa. Yeah, there's this ending na nangyari. Yes, meron dito natatakot sa ginawang sabihin nating action sa past. Okay? Yeah. So, alam nila kung anong mawawala. Okay, alam nila kung anong sinayang nila. Somebody is afraid na mag-reach out or kausapin ka. They don't know how, they don't know what, okay, to say. Parang ganon. Eight of Pentacles in reversed. What's that? The King of Wands in reversed. Don't take seriously kung ano man yung meron sa ngayon, like lalo na pagdating sa workplace. Meron kasing mga energy rito na parang nakakapagbigay ng negative mindset, okay, para sa iba sa inyo. Gawin nyo lang, like sabihin natin, laruin nyo lang, okay? Wag nyo parang i-take na sobrang seryoso. I don't know why, okay? Isipin nyo, sabihin parang naglalaro lang. Kasi kapag yung parang, yung energy dito kasi sabihin natin parang nakakatamad na to. Parang wala nang patutunguhan to. Parang ganun. I don't know kung employer mo, mga katrabaho mo, environment mo, yung nakakapagbigay ng ganitong energy sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. So, napaka bigat ng energy. Huwag mong i-take yun. Huwag mong i-welcome. Okay? Ikaw rin naman kasi ang magsasuffer if ever. Yeah, may mga tao na hindi mo kailangang pagpapansinin. Sitwasyon man, tao man. Okay? Meron ditong mga hindi dapat bigyang effort, bigyang pansin, bigyang oras. Okay? The Page of Pentacles. Just mind your own. Okay? Earth signs, just mind your own. Yaan mo sila. Okay? Meron ditong player na dapat hindi mo binibigyang pansin. Alam mo yan sa sarili mo. Okay? Ano tong Page of Pentacles? The Three of Cups. Oh, okay. So, you have here a friend. Okay? You have here a friend na parang gustong mag-reach out, gustong kumontak sa'yo. I think they're planning. There's still no action here. Okay? They're just planning. Some of them, they're too obsessed. They're always thinking of you. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. They want to get something from you. Kung ano man yun. Some of you, meron kang friend dito na gustong makipag-ayos or gustong makipagkita. Okay? I don't know why, kung anong hindrance dito, kung anong blockage dito. The Three of Cups in reversed. Maybe. Anong meron? Yeah, the Two of Wands. Okay, so it's like go or not, parang ganyan. Yes or no, parang ganun. Okay, mga ano coulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, mga ganun, mga what ifs nila. Okay? Some of you, you have this friend na pwedeng meron silang gustong i-share sa'yo, pero andun yung parang energy na kailangan ko bang sabihin yun or hindi. Okay? May mga ganun na energy. Yeah. The Two of Swords. This is decision. Or maybe there's this someone na gustong i-reach out ka, gustong kausapin ka, pero andun yung pagdadalawang isip nila. I don't know why. Some of them, they're your friend, or maybe nasa small circle lang kayo nitong taong to. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for you, all signs. Again, please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!